speed at which the tech world evolves is astounding. Not even a month later, you get a new leak every now and then, if you keep your eyes open. This time around, it's Samsung's upcoming Galaxy F and Xiaomi's alleged foldable phone. Let's take a look at the smartphone manufacturing giant and icon first. Now, early November in 2018, most of the tech world witnessed Samsung reveal their prototype for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy F. The key feature people remember for it is its ability to be folded compactly into wallet size. The screen is tucked inside and compensates with an outer screen so you can see your incoming messages, calls, and notifications. That being said, Samsung is known to have been working with Android to optimize the Android OS for foldable screens. Now, let's be real here. It's an iconic brand name for smartphones, so you can expect the price point to run a little high when it finally comes in March 2019. You can expect them to be quite reasonable with the pricing, of course. You got the image of the Galaxy F in your head? Good. Let's move on to the leak of allegedly Xiaomi's foldable phone. The video came out on Twitter and was shared by Evan Blass at EvLeaks. Now, he shared the leaked video accompanied with a caption that said, "Can't speak to the authenticity of this video or device, but it's allegedly made by Xiaomi, I'm told. Hot new phone or gadget porn deepfake?" And as excited as you may be, Evan is right. Xiaomi has been rumored to produce foldable smartphones this year. Ones that are much cheaper than Samsung, might I add. Now, we're not here to drag Samsung, just stating the facts. The leaked video goes on to feature a tablet that folds in itself into 3 parts, which means 2 hinges and a display feature that's compatible with being folded with no lag or disruption whatsoever. In addition, another thing that's clear from the video is that it runs on Android, and the language is set to Chinese. But when you step back and look at things objectively, you'll find that most of these things, from both Samsung and Xiaomi, are just speculation at this point. In all truth, we have no way of really knowing until all the products hit the store shelves. Nevertheless, we'll all just have to wait with bated breath as new pieces of tech emerge to wow us all. In the meantime, tell us what you think. Do you think this leaked foldable phone was made by Xiaomi? Do you think it would be a better deal than Samsung? And which one are you more excited for? The Samsung Galaxy F or Xiaomi's own line of foldable phones? Tell us your answers in the comments. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up if you think this is interesting, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay notified to our every video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.